Yay, they're here. The Premier Protein Indulgence line. And I tell you, these protein shakes are incredible. This is the Decadent dark chocolate and 30 grams of protein in this, which is really remarkable. I love that. And the macronutrients are really a great choice as far as making sure that you're getting a lot of protein during your day. That's where I have struggles with. I'm a senior that just doesn't eat very regularly. So this Decadent dark chocolate flavor is like, oh, so, so good. And I have found so many different ways to eat it. I tell you, I have used it in a just kind of warm it up a little bit and put some whipped cream on it and a little bit drizzle of caramel across the top. Not gonna lie, it's so, so decadent. I also made some ice cream out of this, and oh my gosh, you guys, shake it up, and I just poured it in my Ninja creamy ice cream container here, and I put it in the freezer. Came out of the freezer like this. Yes, I made a separate one of these last night, so I just wanted to show you. Oh, look at this. Ice cream from the Premier Protein Indulgence. This is the dark decadent chocolate. And oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's so good. This is going to be great for afternoon treat or after dinner, sitting on the couch. I really didn't get in my protein for the day. I'm going to go ahead and have some ice cream. Perfect amount. It's not going to be one of those that you're going to overeat on ice cream. And while you're eating it, you're going to get some great nutrients here, the macronutrients, and 170 calories for some ice cream. Yes, please. I'm so excited about this. So yummy.